This is my favorite spot, where I love spending time every day, and taking care of them makes me feel connected to nature. My love for these plants grows every day. A rooftop garden isn't just for the eyes. It gives peace to the mind. When I'm here, all worries fade away. It's my place of calm. Gardening isn't just a hobby, always keeping me company with joy. These plants feel like my friends. Every morning, with the rising sun, my day begins with new energy. Spending time amidst the greenery is truly peaceful.